If you are coming from core PHP world or you are coming from any another language, and if you want to learn Laravel, the first thing comes in your mind is what is Laravel? And this is very important question because without answering and without knowing what is Laravel, you cannot proceed learning Laravel. And I will answer this question in this episode. And to answer this question, let's go to the website of Laravel, which is laravel.com. The first thing comes when you open this website is love beautiful code, we do too. And that's exactly happen when you start working with Laravel. You love beautiful code because Laravel forces you to write beautiful code. And in that way, you will be happy for your work, you enjoy your work, and at last, you will create something awesome. But what exactly, or we can say what technically Laravel is? Laravel is a PHP framework. Yes, it's a framework, and framework is like, think about framework is like a tool to build modern, fast, and scalable product. By using Laravel, yes, you will become super fast. Compared to core PHP, if you want to create a login and registration system, you will head over to at least an hour to create all the things. But with Laravel, 1 minute is more than enough because just one command will create login and registration system for your Laravel application. This is the power of using Laravel. And the most exciting part about Laravel is it's an open source. You can also contribute to this framework. You can take some of the important part of this framework and use it on your project, use it anywhere you want. It's an open source. So this Laravel is actually created by this person, Taylor Otwell. He is a very intelligent person and he has created a tool which all love. I suggest you to follow him on Twitter because he generally posts new things related to Laravel which are coming soon, and he generally works on secret projects, so it will give you information about what exactly he is doing. Next is, if you go on the GitHub trending part for PHP language, the first thing come is Laravel. And you can see this month 946 stars, and even if you check overall, you can see it has 51.8k stars on GitHub repository. This is the most famous framework for PHP. Obviously it is more famous, even more than double famous than Symfony and other, even CodeIgniter also. You have so big community that anyone is available for you to help. Laravel is actually based upon the MVC pattern. MVC pattern is model, view, and controller. If you start using Laravel, and we will going to see that we have 3 categories in which data is going to flow. First, we have the data in the database, and model is going to use to interact with the database. So model will get the data, will save the data, and all the CRUD related part and some other searching related part will done via model. So this is good, but when you get the data or when you want to save the data, everything goes via controller through view. So think about this. User interact with view, data interact with database, and to connect user with the database, we have the controller. So that's why we call it MVC pattern. That means model, view, controller. The work of controller is just to make sure the data will flow between the view and the model, view and the model. And that's why your controller doesn't has to do more than just flowing the data. Remember this, whenever you are working, make sure that your controller just flow the data from view to model or model to view. Nothing more than that. And this is very important. But every framework or every software is useful when it is constantly updating with the latest technologies. And that again happened with Laravel, because Laravel updates every 6 months. You can see every 6 months we have a new update of Laravel with some more functionality, some bug fix, and some introduction of new things. And for every 2 year we have a LTS version, long term support version. So in that way you never miss any opportunity which are coming to this industry, or you are going to use. You can impress your client with the latest technologies and latest things which are evolving in the market. So in that way, overall, Laravel is a framework which you will going to love. You will going to love to code on that, and obviously you will going to share this information with your friends so that everyone can get what is Laravel. So these things are good, but we will go deeper in the Laravel and we will see how we can get started, what are the ecosystem, what are the things we need to follow on along with Laravel, and how things are going to work on this Laravel. So if you like this episode, please share with your friends,